On-demand delivery connects your online ordering site to established delivery services in your area, like DoorDash or Postmates. When a customer places a delivery order, a courier is automatically dispatched to your location to pick up the order, and your customer receives text alerts with delivery tracking. To set up on-demand delivery, from your Square dashboard, head to Online. Click Settings, Pickup and Delivery. Pickup and delivery options are location specific, so if you're just getting started, click Setup. If you're updating a location, click Edit Location. First, select On-Demand Delivery as your preferred delivery option. Once you select On-Demand Delivery, you'll see the service providers available in your area. Next, you can configure your delivery fees. Square Online gives you the flexibility to pass your delivery costs onto the customer, subsidize a part of the fee, or offer free delivery on orders over a certain amount. You can also assign a maximum delivery fee, minimum order amount to qualify for delivery, or add a service fee to cover additional costs associated with delivery orders. No contact delivery is enabled by default, but you can also update to fit your business. Next, you'll need to log into your Square Online dashboard to enable on-demand delivery from the item details. So head to Online, and from your site dashboard, click Items and then Item Library. Click on an item, and under Visibility, enable Local Delivery and Self-Serve. Once on-demand delivery is set up, you're ready to manage incoming orders. Just like Square Online orders, on-demand delivery orders go directly to your point of sale and kitchen printers. No extra tablets needed. Just head to the Orders section of the Square Point of Sale app. On-demand delivery orders show up as delivery. You can tap the order to find additional courier details in the order notes. The order ticket for your prep stations also print out with the courier information in the order notes. To learn more, head to square.com/help and search keywords on-demand delivery.